Hi everyone. Today I will continue my laboratory exercises, which is the array for my course theory of programming language. So, what is the objectives of this laboratory exercises? Okay, last time we already create series. So now we need to do is rewrite the same program without using an array. So we will do same thing like this. Show this 10 student information for this console application for this program, but we don't use array. So let's see how it works and what is the difference. Okay, so go to my folder. I go to my terminal again and I create my console application. Okay, I use this console application in my Visual Studio Code. .NET create .NET new console. So this one will create a new console application using the console application template that have a hello world on it. So let's try run to verify it running. To show the hello world, the standard template for console applications. Yeah, so it's showing the hello world. So let's start now. So you go to the C sharp class. So this is my class. So I just hide this now. So yeah, so this console application. So same thing. We need to okay, I just need to comment out so because we don't use it. Okay, so okay, just to sake of this video, actually I already write, but usually for this laboratory exercise, if you don't use the array, you need to define variable for each of it to store the data to each variable. So I show you something like this. So I already put like this for okay. Let's show you something like this. Okay, I copy this one. So I just show you something like this. So okay. So here I have a string. This is a data type and the name by variable and this is my name Adams. So I create 10 variables, 10 string to store each of name on it. So name one is Adam, name two is Victor, name three is Clarkson, name four is something and so on. Okay, because we are not using the array that like last time. So I do same thing in for my age. Okay, age and yeah, age and basically age and the level. So just copy this one. If you can see this is like this. So I can show you like that. So from that you can see the different advantage of disadvantage of array and no array. So this one I create 10 integer for age. I create 10 different variable to store these information. Okay, and for the also the GPA and for the level it is. So this is how you define the variables, data type, and to to store your information to each variable. Then you use this variable to display or manipulate. You can manipulate, you display, or use some calculation and everything so on. But for the sake of this program, so this demo, you just need to display. I just need to display, but display is so quite tedious because you can use the looping things like last time the for loop you cannot use. So it's just simple console obligations. So I just need to write it display it on the screen so the console that type time and do like this and maybe zero I put name here Okay, okay. So it's got the double quote. I put the name here, name, because you do same thing, age, percent two, one, GPA, and other one is grade level. Uh, Grade level, right? Okay, three. So it's just same thing like this, but we don't use the array, so we need to define it one by one. So use really it's quite tedious of this one. Instead of use name one, age one, or like age one, and GPA one, and level one. Okay, something like that. And of course, you need to display the 10. Oh, sorry. You can display the 10 and you just you use a copy paste to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so like this, and you need to you need to change it to your 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, that's all. That's simplest like that. But it's simple, but you see the code is too many. So it should be duplicating. Like you need to do like this, like this. So, but let's try to run. Okay, you go to the terminal again, and just clear these things. And yeah, .NET run to run application. You see the output. You can see this, see information is same like this. So Adam, Baker, Clarkson, starting now 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is the informations. So that's all. So it will show you the same result, with the first we first program that we created using the array. But when it comes to coding, it will be different. So here you need to write it 10 times instead of using the for loop. Okay, and of course here you need to define it. You need to define each variable to keep the record. So it's something like this. So you just visualize if you have 1,000 records or 100 records, say 100 records, you just visualize how many codes you will put here. It, this is a simple code that you will list everything information, but it comes to 1,000, 100, or 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 record. And you can see your code. It's so code. It will be tedious. This will be terrible code. So that's the advantage of using an array. Array can be simplified your codings and it's more easy to manage. Okay, that's all for today and yeah, thank you very much. Bye.